and welcome back to Grammar Time. Today I've brought you something special. We're going to be talking about determiners, that is, some, and any. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Hi, welcome back to Grammar Time. This is Joscha speaking, and today we're going to be working on your grammar.
This is Sally's living room. It's nice, isn't it? There's a big TV set in it. And there are some comfortable chairs. Are there any plants? Oh yes, there are. There's an aloe, for example. Did you know the words in purple? They were some, and any. And those are the words that we're going to be talking about. They are determiners, so they specify which of a group of things we're talking about. Determiners accompany nouns, just like adjectives do, but determiners can not only say which one, but they can also make reference to the number, that is, singular or plural. So, take another look. There's a big TV set. There's an aloe. What do they have in common? Well, they are both singular, yes. Now the big difference between and an is not really big at all. It's phonetics. If there is a vowel directly after the determiner, then you add the m. To see why, just say aloe. It sounds like a hiccup, doesn't it? Yes, and that's why you put the n, an aloe, and it sounds much better. So, once more, what do you use and n for? For singular. Very good. Now, another one. There are some chairs. Some chairs. That is plural, yes. Use some for plural in the affirmative. In this one, are there any plants? That's a question. There aren't any animals. A negation. And both, once more, are plural. So, we use any in plural for questions and negation. Very good. Okay, now there's more, but we should really practice this one first. So, let's go. I want you to make sentences about this house. Use the clues enter some, and any, and there are. There, palm trees. Yes, there are, so it's affirmative. There are some palm trees. There, swimming pool. That's a question. Is there a swimming pool? Well done. There, recliners. Once more a question. Are there any recliners? Very good. There, cats. I don't see a single cat. There aren't any cats. There, playground. Once more, that's a no. There isn't a playground. One playground, that's why you use a and not any. So, I said there's more, so here we go. You know that there are things that you can count and things you can't count. Let's put them in a table with countable and uncountable. Can you count milk? 1 milk, 2 milks, 3 milks? No, you can't, can you? That's why it's uncountable. Chairs? That's easy, it's already a plural. It's countable, yes. Dog. 1 dog, 2 dogs, 3 dogs? Countable. Rice. 1 rice, 2 rices, 3 rices? That's uncountable, you can't count rice. Water. One water, two waters, doesn't work, does it? Uncountable. Apple. An apple, two apples, yes, that's countable. Now that's important because uncountable nouns are always in singular, but they go with some and any. Let's practice this a bit. I want you to talk about what's in the fridge. Use the clues to make sentences. Milk? Yes, so that's affirmative. There's some milk. Fruit and a question mark, make a question. Is there any fruit? Fruit is normally uncountable. You have to pay a bit of attention to this. Fruit? Yes. Affirmative? There's some fruit. Sandwiches? Make a question. Are there any sandwiches? Now answer the question. Affirmative. There are some sandwiches. Beef? Make a question. Is there any beef? Answer the question. This one's negative. There isn't any beef. Bottle of orange juice? Pay attention to this one. Bottle of orange juice. Is there a bottle of orange juice? Well done. You see, you can count bottles. You cannot count orange juice, but you can count bottles, of course. So, 1 bottle of orange juice, 3 bottles of orange juice, perfect. But you cannot say, is there any bottle? No, that sounds bad. Bottle of orange juice? Yes, make the affirmative. There's a bottle of orange juice. Well done. Well, that's basically it for now. We've seen how to use an, some and any. Now, the only thing you really have to do now is go out and practice a bit. It's really easy, but you have to get used to it, so, well, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you around.